Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect GridGain Control Center with your custom OpenID Connect provider. First of all, we have to define certain config file. Let's open it. It should contain information about what provider do we use. In this case I will use Okta, client ID and client secret for our application, Control Center, that is registered in your provider, and 3 URIs. How to find values for these URIs? Every OpenID Connect provider has a link, a well-known OpenID configuration that contains information about what scopes are supported, what claims are supported, and other stuff, including endpoints that we are looking for. So authorization URI should be equal to authorization endpoint, token URI for token endpoint, and JWK URI should be equal to JWKS URI. After that, we can start Control Center. And when it is started, we will be able to go to Control Center to sign in with our provider. So Control Center started. Refresh that page. And on sign-in page, we see Okta icon, so click on it and enter our credentials. And we are logged in. Okay. So that's how you can use Control Center with OpenID Connect provider. You should just define 5 properties in your config file.